Hi everyone, I'm John, the Science Guy, and welcome to another Science Fridays with John. Hi everyone, I'm John, the Science Guy, and welcome to another Science Fridays with John. Today we're going to talk about friction, a very interesting point, because if we didn't have friction, we wouldn't be able to pedal our bikes, so the tires could actually move through the road, or be able to drive our cars. You know, lots of things in life use friction. For example, swimming. When you put your arms through the water and have to do a crawl or a stroke, your hands actually create friction with the water. And there's dozens of other things that need frictions. And there's dozens of other things in life that we have to have friction to have an essential function. All right, two pieces of paper. If I pull them, put them together, and I try to pull them apart, there's a little bit of friction. Not a lot, but you can hear there's a little bit of friction, all right? Not a lot. Okay, I'm gonna open this book here and show you how friction can become stronger when we actually add more pages. I'm gonna go through the whole book, and we're gonna speed this up because this does take a while. So I guess I could probably go around the world and back in less time than it's actually going to take me to finish putting this whole book together so that we can do this experiment. But we'll be done in a few hours. It looks like the one book is actually going to finish before the other book, and that's no problem because we're just going to take all the pages that are in this book and just fold them over. And there we are. And now if we try to pull this apart, I'm gonna try to pull them, and I can't. I'm trying very hard, and I can't pull them apart. Why? Because there's friction. Okay, I'm trying really hard to pull this apart, and I can't. So the same thing happens when we think about rides or amusements. I'm really trying to pull this apart, and I cannot pull it apart. That is really solid. But that's how great engineering works. When we use friction, like things on a roller coaster, if we didn't have friction, we wouldn't be able to go up those big hills, right? We wouldn't be able to get traction on a farm or even run many machines that you see in factories today, whether that be Amazon or other fulfillment centers or just manufacturing places. You wouldn't be able to get any of those machines to run. Do you know many kitchens wouldn't be able to operate? The motors all use friction. The assembly lines all use friction. Even the way they bag uses friction. Do you know the way you brush your teeth? You couldn't do that unless you had friction. You can take my word, this is not coming out. No matter what I do, it's not coming out. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I know friction might seem challenging to you, but there's a good thing about friction. And that is when we get a little bit of that bite, we can definitely hang on. You know, the only thing different between those that are successful and those that are waiting to become successful is that the people that are successful just hang on a little bit longer. That's all. The other people either drop off or they're still trying to figure out whether they can hang on. So that's the only difference. Friction makes a difference in our life because it will give us the stepping stone to get to the next gear, to get to the next point in our life where we can achieve the goals that we've always dreamed of. I am John, the Science Guy. Thank you so much for popping by my lab today. Definitely like, love, support, comment on the channel below. Click on the bell notification icon, smash the subscribe button, comment, and of course, click on that PayPal button, please. And make the choice to buy my team and I a cup of coffee, maybe another book, bowl of fruit, or a savory plate of dessert. And while you do that, I'm gonna keep working on pulling this book apart. And hopefully by the next video, I might have it apart. I don't think so. I'll see you in another video real soon. Thanks for popping by the lab.